Police identify New Forest Manchester crash victims. Hi again and welcome. We'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The two men who died in a three-vehicle crash on the New Forest Main Road in South Manchester on Wednesday morning have been identified. The police named the men as Philip Beharry, a resident of Duff House in Manchester, and Meldon Nibbs, a resident of Plowden District, also in Manchester. The Police Area 3 Investigation and Reconstruction Unit is probing the crash. According to reports, the crash occurred around 7:30 a.m. when a Honda motor car was attempting to overtake a Toyota RAV4, then collided with the motorbike traveling in the opposite direction. Nibbs and Beharry were rushed to hospital where they succumbed to their injuries on arrival. The driver of the Honda motor car, a 21-year-old female, was also injured in the crash and remains hospitalized for treatment. It's not immediately clear up to the publication of this report whether charges will be laid against her. Statistics from the police show that up to Wednesday, August the 12th, 2026, 199 fatalities from 172 collisions were recorded on the nation's roads, compared to 238 fatalities from 207 collisions for the corresponding period last year. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.